Today, sir and mom, I am Elizabeth C. Sarapana, 46 years old, a happy married with three children, ages 17, 16, and 13 years old. I love cooking, cleaning the house, and taking care of children. I have two work experience in abroad. First, in Saudi Arabia, with 2 years finished contract. I served one couple with their six children, ages 22, 20, 15, 18, 10, and 3 years old. And my duties are cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, and taking good care of children, especially the 3 years old daughter of my employer. And my second experience is in Hong Kong. I serve one couple with their two children, ages 8 and 3 years old, and my duties are marketing, cooking, cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, and take good care of the children. And I am a kind of person who is honest and willing to do a multitasking job. I hope you will choose me as your helper because I am eager to serve you well. And thank you. God bless.